Understanding, Risk It All, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, risk it all. This is a common idiom in English that can be both exciting and a bit puzzling for English language learners. Let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Risk it all is an idiom that means to take a very big risk where you put everything you have on the line. It's often used in situations where someone is making a significant decision that could have either a very positive outcome or a very negative one. The all here signifies everything that is important or valuable to the person taking the risk. To understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. He decided to risk it all and invest his life savings into his new business. Here, the person is taking a big financial risk hoping for a successful outcome. 2. In the movie, the hero risks it all to save his friend, showing great courage. This shows the use of the phrase in a context of personal sacrifice for a greater good. When using this phrase, it's important to understand the context. It's suitable for situations involving big decisions or changes, like changing careers or moving to a new country. Situations involving potential loss and gain, like gambling or making an investment. Remember, it's a phrase that conveys high stakes and significant consequences. And that's risk it all for you. It's a phrase that encapsulates taking big chances in pursuit of something important. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English idiom. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to take your own linguistic risks in learning English. See you in the next video.